Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen. Yeah, people, we have a whole heap to update in this video, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. We updated the story earlier on with TikTok Live. As you know, Paparazzi Apple friend Babette, Louis Vuitton princess, was arrested for Lululemon theft. You know what I mean? Specifically retail organized theft alongside her husband. I forgot to mention that earlier today when we did the review on my next channel. You see some people putting in the comment section where you think about that. So yeah, this thing is connected to a fear case according to, the reporters, you know what I mean? The people them that got caught stealing in Virginia. It's a part of the broader organized retail theft. Because, they're trying to combat people stealing, you know what I mean? Because Trump said, friend them, have to put things behind the glass and it's slowing up business. People have to wait 15 minutes for an employee to come pull that with key and all them thing them. You know what I mean? So these are the type of laws that they're implementing to combat it. And I think, now if you get caught stealing $100 worth of stuff, US dollars, you can't get deported. So these are her court documents. As you can see, I'm not going to read them out. I can press pause and look on the charge them. But destroying evidence, resisting arrest, all of these things. You see what I say? So Fear and Fear husband get locked up now. And Paparazzi Apple and Fear husband, they get locked up some time ago. I updated their case like a few weeks ago on my next channel. It's nothing major update, these things is gonna try to stall out so them can get a lesser charge. You see what I say? But they're going to be hit with the state RICO, and they're the first ones to be charged under that law. So it's not a good look. And Apple not have no papers, so she might get deported. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic. May I say, I want to go on for not to go on, you see me? And it has to deal with Yankee Michelle. I don't know these people. These people look like some celebrities. I type their name in the search engine and only Paparazzi post up. So, we have, one of the most popping, news channel out there. So people like to send the thing, and the people them say she owe 100,000 US, bankruptcy, face surgery, all of these things. And then the next somebody says she them know somebody that she owe 50,000 US. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section where you think about that, because she says she's not really business because she's still that girl.
And are you wait on my pocket about me? And me a walk with my head. I ain't a blood clot America. Come in a hold up nobody and stick them up with a blood clot gun. You too blood clot fast. I always in a people business more pressure. You can't blood clot pressure me in America. Germany me not illegal a blood clot. Cause you love talk about you call ice fan people. And you can't call them for me German. Remember you don't ban a blood clot America. But you call ice fan people and lock off people party. You wicked no blood clot.
Michelle, why you bring the Yankee boy them come? I remember you threatening me. But why you bring the Yankee boy them come, Michelle? Let us bring the mega pressure you look up blood clot. Cause remember you can't do much no more about till America make me know. I know you got to get reported to the blood clot police. Dirty Michelle, me no own a blood clot body. And you blood clot over people a partner. Compare the people them blood clot partner, dirty woman. What the blood clot you want with me?
And if you want to listen to the full 6-minute voice notes, you can go up on the King Mix-Up that you see in front of you. He said, man, say, subscribe and hit the notification bell and press all before you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.